A quick interview with you.
What can I do?
Come, tell us, we met in Kingston, right? That is where you met Richard Brown Films, right?
Yeah.
So tell me about that little trip then I can
I don't know nothing about Richard Brown Films.
You know how the whole meeting happened at Kingston that me ask about?
Kingston?
Yeah, then I big out me know ya.
Oi, me not tolerate them kind of behavior there with you. Now you are playing that man
big out
face.
to meet her.
Oi!
And she a go and she don't know.
Oi!
Kind of feel with us.
Rasta man.
Me hear you say that, Jenna.
No, but here what going on? I know people are going to see I do this in my boss and I not think they respect that. You are playing up in that man face, man. Anyways.
Okay.
Yeah, tell what I mean. Go.
Well, I was home and I saw a group of persons come to say that they're going to do a photo shoot, like a video shoot. So that is how I get to meet Richard Brown Films and then...
So what experience so far?
Experience, like...
How you like it? Like...
With the photo shooting?
Like everything, the whole experience.
I kind of like it because it's the first and, you know, I enjoy doing it even though it's not something I used to, but I kind of like it. Well, at least I can introduce other persons to it to try it and see how it works out.
Okay. One question. You married?
No, I'm not. Why you ask?
You single?
No.
Okay. No further question. What going on, Rasta?
Me there.
You married?
Rasta married.
You married, Rasta?
Rasta, you're married.
Alright,
Woman
silent
is
mean
more and
consent.
not the
Silent
less.
mean consent. We are going to some.
More and not the less.
We are going to some. Go see
My
what.
interview now.
Who? Mama?
That.
Let me see my
Ladies is more.
Let's make a seat, man. We are going to some. Go see where Richie them
So
are
why
going.
not untie me?
Alright, you tie up. We never see you say you get tie up.
But me need to untie. Me need to untie so me can come
You're not
to
here.
this. Me can get
You
this wig
can't
off.
get no untimement.
How are going on? So
You know,
50
this wig
Shades.
and-
Cause here I know she
50 Shades of
unrolling.
Grey?
She unrolling. YouTube, she unrolling.
She unruling.
Yeah, she unrolling. So
Okay.
keep her tight.
You are not supposed to be unruling.
Why?
Alright?
Why?
Me not even know. Anyways, how are going on? So 50
Me
Shades
them-
business.
I untie me. Me
No,
can
me
get.
does.
Anyways, me I go out so. Woman in a handcuff, I don't know why they in a handcuff in there so. Or in a chain. You know, I make they in a chain. Cigarette fire so that's the same way. Oi! Want know what go on? People see them a go along up the road. I try to catch them. Alright, so you hear so then if you talk about some gunman business. Well, I run out of battery to you know. Run go up there. Run go up there, people. We are run. Run. Papa, this no fit. This no fit. You know. I know say I could have worked with a boy.
Officer Jericho. Yeah, we're friends out.
My name office. My name Vin Gasoline.
Alton. I want to ask you one personal question. You sure if I ask you?
One normal.
Go on now, man. Bomba, me like I get timid nowadays, you know, but I was all afraid of question, I know. Anyways, where say I go on video now? I want to shoot.
This is the lockdown part 2.
Lockdown part 2.
The lockdown with the bartender part 2.
So you don't post nothing from when either. You don't see nothing about Paradise Nation.
Well.
Now what going up with some?
Me need space not so right now.
Okay. You got through a lot. You get counseling?
Me need to see one still.
Oh, alright. I thought to take it too rough. Shaka! Yes, I have party out blouse and skirt. I saw me here, I don't know. Tell who I go on. Set the record straight. And them tell me say a party. So how do we do it in the hand?
Come on.
It's a piece of wood, brethren. I want to know. No piece of wood she have in her hand?
No!
I wanna go.
Tick. Nah.
Wanna go?
Well, shoot, come round.
Okay. I don't feel like following you know, cause now I go boring. Now I get no joke.
Sorry, you joke. You joke, start. Officer
AJ, what up, sir? Wait,
Officer Jericho,
Run,
Officer
your company road, Zane? Wait, no. Your company road. Listen. You go up there, sir. And your company road, the police them out see you and ask you where you are company road and you tell them, say, what you tell them, say?
In there, direct young actor.
What tell them say? What if you say?
No.
No.
You tell them, say.
No, I'm not act. Me no know now, though.
You tell them, say, yeah. You must see you on the road and question. Don't look for me, you know. Go on, wheel.
How much more left in that bag, my boss?
Alright. Right there, sir.
I didn't say one pitney and a pitney, you know.
3, you're not pitney either. One more and we're good.
One more? Okay. So, all the ladies... Oh, never mind.
Eh?
Not my business, that.
When I say ready, them are gonna walk and ready. Remember, if you don't look for me, just walk and mind no business.
Papa, you like you have sclerosis like me?
Huh?
You like you have scoliosis like me?
Come on, Terry Road. Stop.
I wanna wait one.
Ready. Papa, ready. Papa, I'm ready.
You know we down here, man.
Walk, man.
I understand it's in the force, but it's force run. You see, right now, coming on the street, want to check the bartender right now because you know that.
You finally get off the handcuff them, or chain.
Finally, untie me so I could actually walk and see what.
She never tell me say I want part of that play a while ago.
Part? Yeah, I was taking part of it.
So what them do to you in that scene?
Well, that scene now is a scene where I've been tied up and my fiance gone to buy breakfast.
So him tie up?
No, there was gunman tie me up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where's the gunman?
You.
Lady, where's the gunman?
You.
Gunman
Sam.
in she hold, she like that.
Where you get that?
Gunman
where
in
you
she
get that,
hold, she like
that,
that.
that Jordan, yeah.
Gunman in your hole.
Eh?
Gunman in your hole. Gunman a hoogie in your hole. Oh. Yeah.
No.
Big up yourself. Subscribe to the boss. Yeah,
Jordan,
please.
friend or cousin, that which one? Are the friend or the cousin?
And the brother.
Almost the brother.
The pan.
Cap.
Very expensive.
Come back.
Almost Jordan, friend or cousin. Oh God.
You have to go buy him one pair, you know, because they are custom man shoes.
Like Jordan, no pair of Jordan.
You don't spend money on a man like you don't buy a man things.
No,
Yeah, but you
no,
must
no,
have spend for me though.
Jaja. Why most you don't spend on a man at once?
At once?
Yeah.
It depends on what he wants.
Nice.
Boss, you know.
Come on, where are the pan and road?
Come on, shoot that shoot.
Wake up, sir.
Come again, man.
Alright, I stop interrupt your shoot, my boss. Sorry.
Let's go right there. Yeah.
Come on, you got me.
Today I go? Tomorrow?
Listen, ready? Yeah, ready.
This is wrong, so you go and I check. Come on, where are the pan and road? Just go here, so where's the family?
Come again.
Daddy,
So I'm gonna catch you in your face.
Same thing. Same thing.
the family them in the yard.
Yeah, where I come?
Yeah, but
You know, I'm see Rasta man I call them.
So when you shoot the camera,
It's behind the scenes.
let me put you behind the scene.
Come on. You have me in a focus? You sure? She want to record the people. So why you step back?
Alright, go on home. Straight home.
Question me. You want to question me?
How old are you?
I'm
Yeah, so you actually don't know your age? 30?
30.
You not lie, you look more than 30 though. I'll head me go gone.
45.
You're 45?
I'll be honest now, 45.
Oh, alright.
Yeah, you sure the camera there for me? You're not a good camera girl. Give me a camera.
But the camera on you?
Yeah, and I shake and look like you're a point though. How old are you?
30.
Oh, I forgot you did say it. That's him. So you don't have no more questions, miss? Come, press this button so it focuses on me. And make
This
sure
one?
yes. And make sure say it turn green. It's green now?
Yeah.
Alright, good. So how old am I? 30 years old. Actually, I'm not trim up, man. I got trim up.
Well, I need to visit the barber.
Yeah, I said that in a previous video. Next question. Yes, I'm a virgin too.
No, you're not a virgin. Honestly, not a
Feel
virgin.
attacked.
Nope.
I am a virgin. Anyways, moving
Virgin
on.
still exists?
Yeah, me.
Not you.
Next question.
You live here? Where you from?
I'm on a place named Strawberry. Them not have no strawberry there.
Where you from? One place named Strawberry. Is it in Negril, Westmoreland, wherever?
Westmoreland.
In
But you
Westmoreland.
in Westmoreland too.
Well, whichever.
The place named Strawberry where I come from. Yeah.
So where do so far?
Next question, because I do filming and people here like filming, so I'll be
So what
here.
going for the shoes there? What going for your slippers?
I say I'll work out sitting this man country. How I try to? Well,
No, my told them want to do, you know. Them honestly want to do.
okay. So my green same way.
Yeah, I agree in same way.
Some more questions. Where am I from? Strawberry. I'll go into the super state.
You're married?
No, I haven't been in a relationship from birth.
From birth?
Yeah, single. Alright, so I get back some battery. And this is where it caught us. Yeah, lockdown episode, bartender Jamaican series. So, make we go back out the door and find back people and got question we. I just get some behind the scenes.
Alright, I'm telling you, we know what talk to an extent. Why man them do normally? Like do whenever they get work.
Of course.
I change it.
Yeah, change it.
No, you have to tell it to you.
So,
Can you go in here with me? What bomb?
so here how I go justify my answer. You know what I hear?
Come on, you. Tell me what's your name.
I'm 6 years old.
Your name. Let her hear your name.
Alright, no, nice. Watch out. We are short. Go inside the front top. Do. Ready, let's go. Have a dream until the time up the time. Let me tell you the truth. This is a bad man in here. I don't know, normal. And then you look over the left out of the station. Do you think you can manage them? So, go ahead and take the bartender right now. Come on, and humble yourself, man. Soon get man. Alright, so after if you want, you want. I'm going to involve in a competition. You talk about the rope, but give me a competition. Talk. So you do that. What do you want to do? You want running belly, man. What kind of run thing? No, you're talking. You ready?
Come on.
Okay, so we're going to go talking. Come on.
Come on.
Nice, my ear. Ready now? I want to make sense. I'm not talking about the bad man. You know? You can't say it's true. Because I love my life, you know. I'm looking at my yard there. I'm just start them. I don't want to get for me now. You know what I mean? Plus, I'm going to get a picnic. And we try to work on a picnic. You know what I mean? Then we go to Roma. So something make sense and impact on the story. Yeah, ready? Let's go. What's the noise now? We are here. Record. I'm talking still now. We're talking now. Ready now, let's go. Dangerous. The time now, we talk.
But he might laugh,
But you
She said,
you talk now, talk about that two man. Alright, no, that little man. Talk about your little man we have a yard where you try to come and picnic. Ready, let's go.
True, you know. True, yeah, tell her, hey, just get a little boyfriend. Don't want them left him, you know. Right now, we free of them, you know, want them left him, man. And then him just start them, so you don't want them left him.
No, you understand what you talk about. But next time to go back to the man, no?
David, yeah, show.
Right, let's go.
Show then.
Wait, give me one conversation. You know not talk about what?
Oh, what he kick me.
I thought I punch you, I try to run for you.
Wow, if I pick me for you.
Yeah, man, I try to walk come and pick me now. You just have to go and remember to walk come and pick me. Come on, man. Punch, man.
Ready.
First part good enough. Second part this. Ready, let's go. So, you find a local man, so what else you need?
You know, someone if I want to give my son or give my child.
You understand that? That's a big deal. I want them to go for the car. I know Mama can't manage it to blood. Punch. Mama punch it for yo. Yeah, me I work on it, man. I want to make it be like vibe. Alright, make it go. Take it there. Take it back there. If I don't forget, make it take it there. Because you punch the second part. Good. The pump if you punch. Because I'm overshot, you can't talk, you know. You don't talk. That me a try not
Yeah,
to
woman is
overshadow
supposed to
it.
talk because people listen if you talk.
Ready, Papa.
So you understand what I'm talking about now? So we're going to have a drink, and when the time up, we go out yard, and then you can have a little child where you want to have. And next time you can figure man and people that get a child for us. Come on now.
Come back.
Lock the door there. Lock the door there.
Lock the grill on the door. Lock the grill on the door.
Skipper, you're passing it fast. Sure.
You want to prove?
And then the size that I like.
Yeah. Yes, drunk.
Big yam. Big yam.
Right.
Big yam.
Lock the door. Lock the door.
Come.
No, you are up in the grill and going there. We're not going to do it.
Ready. Nice. Ready. Wait, come back.
Candy, could do that senior. You can come, make him come out and talk to him because do all that senior. That best makes sense. You know what I mean? We're going to go and do senior and come out. So make him come and go to the door here.
Officer, drop up.
Candy, you hear me, Candy?
Yeah.
No, jape up, jape post.
Yeah, American.
Because somebody officer jape post. It's post.
Come on. Step back out of the frame. Out of the front again. Say the conversation again. We're not talking about the... You want to give man one baby. Here?
Go long more. Look
Stop.
at different spot.
Don't go. That man that's the talk, if you want to go, man. Laugh and talk, man.
No worry.
Go in, what you do? Go in. Walk past. That's what I can look at. Go on here, bro. Don't go. Because somebody tell them they don't shoot it. Don't go there. Let them call you. Alright. Candy, you knock the door already? No. No, knock the door. And then when you knock the door for a while, you just say, me man, wait him, just call the name.
Officer jape post.
But go in there, man. Go put him in the grill. Go to the grill. You go there, so. Right now. Police! Officer XY, there. There you have it.
Bartender.
Bartender, me man, a regular customer.
A jape post, you know.
I go in there, lock
So
down
you
here.
go in a...
Yeah.
Back of
I just after jail pop, go to the cable. Ready?
No, right?
Ready.
Alright. Let's go.
Bartender, officer jape post, man.
Okay, alright, big break now,
Cut.
Wait, come
Come
again.
too quick, can give some time, man.
Man, forgive me time to lose the chain out there.
No, you know, change funny, man, because free chain. But we are saying, we have to give permission to come. So in the car, when you knock one time, you answer. If you knock two times, when you two times, you answer.
Yo, come again.
Ready, let's go.
Oh, really? Wow.
Yeah, but go.
Let's go.
Officer jail post, you know. Bartender. You know what's all that come and we come to me special.
Okay, hold on there. Now go.
Oh, them not like them corner here, you know. Wow. Oh, you lock down with one in there.
If you laugh, we are drunk, you better. Yeah.
Come down all with you.
No, you're not drunk yet.
Come again.
But you just know, so you laugh now when you see woman. I tell her that girl, I'm moving there.
Yes, I'm there.
Yeah, man, that fine. You man, that fine.
Come again, knock again.
Like, you man, that fine. We can't come in.
Officer jail post, you know, bartender. One. You don't find lockdown. You don't know something special we come for.
Hold on there, now go.
Tell her. The man who want you see. I tell you. Why man, they are finding it, locked in and then time up the boom.
No, you can't do that.
Since when?
Because he market before he goes.
Well, market is two different things. Buying charts, they won't ship.
No, me no in a way, you know.
Alright,
Matter of fact.
we get the special.
Where you come
One
from?
special, one special.
Wait. Come again, Kenny. I don't want you just jump in and aggressive vibe so fast.
Yeah, you can go like man if you want. But after I went to drop in it, I'm telling you. After I went to drop, you can go like that. Anyway, where you come from? Because the baton in there, you know, see my get my fire. And today I'm chatting tonight, but yeah. But that's more I got to do. Conversation. Kicking up. Let's go. Come, in a character. In a character.
No, you don't have to touch the door, me push the door.
Ready, let's go.
Alright, you can say a lot, you can say a lot.
You can wave twice, you wave to candy kingdom, man. You want rum kingdom, man. Along with the police and all, you know. So you can wave twice.
Alright. Yeah, lockdown. You say lockdown now, man. So what? Man, they are fine, they can't call lockdown. You know what about that? He marking, I say small. Anyway. Yeah, but that's special before, man. You know what about that? Yeah, man's aggressive, man. I tell you. Woo! See, I tell you. Yes, you come get a special when you buy a lockdown.
Alright. Come get you one. Let's say the first part mechanics you want to get.
Don't worry, man. It might matter.
So Candy, when you have go back, lock the door and say me have come there. So you can't be open up, you have to go in there. So you have to do that, so I have to go for more you drink a rum still, but I'm going to say bar there.
Alright.
Yes.
I'm a tough fuck.
One girl, one half flask.
Start back, Papa. Start back.
But you get too extra serious with him, you know.
No.
But you want to get me that door. You say, well, anyway, where you come from? You know, say you have trouble, it's a normal routine. Yeah, man, you're my friend.
A police, that's what you're trying to do.
Yeah.
Stop, follow me.
You know what you know, the right thing for after now, but she.
I'm a tough fuck. Where you come from?
Special.
You know, say your son no bar me, you are this is my home. But
You know you must have something there.
you have to go and start something. Hold on, something.
Yeah.
Alright.
That's it, come here.
The door locked.
Yo, so what you can do, you know? You can talk to she, you know, make it make sense, and talk to her and say, yo, here what? It's when to permit or anything, I'm give them permit, and say, rate me, you know, you help out people, you know, come and say, you're civilian, you know, you're police once, whatever. Civilian twice, police once.
Right.
So you tell her that.
Yeah, once a police, twice a civilian.
Once a police, twice a civilian. Talk to she, make more sense of a conversation.
Really?
Hold it down. Hold it down.
See, it's when they learn. I'm making them permit still, you know. So when you get them permit.
Alright, come now, let's see. So you have to live with people, you know.
Really? You see, I say I believe good with people. I'm going to give them permit. Since when they give them permit, you get your rum free at cost. You know?
Candy, why you come for Candy? So you show.
Not yet, not yet.
Let me nice live video.
What's with that?
Oh, one of
No, no.
Real room? Push. A real room?
Ready?
Ready.
Believe good with people.
John must start up on the general. In Spitfire.
One cool and knock over here, man. You're not better for doing it.
I mean, go on easy, huh?
Just go and drink and go and ease yourself. And mass up for your corona.
Officer Jeffers said when he come in on the force, him come in and drink rum.
Tap chat out the people, I'm sure.
Good day. No, so we always have to do this thing, but don't drink so water, but we have something to do, you know, me I watch movie.
Like more for them.
I don't understand what you said a while ago, my general.
And the girlfriend role.
Where's the boy movie them?
Kind of like it for the sister and the girlfriend role, because never really play them type of style before.
Okay, so you like your role where you play? Alright.
In can't carry no mackerel and no chicken back on the out of there. I can't have to steak and shit.
So we gunman him treat you?
No, them treat me cake because them look milk nice, them like me.
You look like you have to put on weight, man.
I tell you from the treat you lock down, I work for food. Just eat it and go, just snacks, just eat it and go. So.
Are you pregnant?
No, I'm not pregnant.
God no. Belly like it a grow though.
I just belly dish.
Belly. Be a belly.
Just belly, I'm not pregnant belly. It's a Jamaican, but I'm a pregnant belly.
Give 9 months.
No, 9 months belly can't look so.
No, I give 9 months.
You can't give me 9 months of pregnant. Woman can pregnant less than.
No, you're pregnant already. I give 9 months sleep in the barn.
She's right, look man.
So I want to
Like one normal.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're just like economy here now.
I'm chopping.
You kind of suggested.
Go on.
You know.
What can I do?
Zigzag.
Depends from this side.
One person missing from a BTS, so I'm not see so far, but him is there. Richie, how you going?
I'm going on the road and soon come back.
Oh.
And I told you, so forward back.
But I'm not like the time hot door.
You have to just go on normally, man. You know, when the cubs up, you know, you can go river. Go on easy.
How we going up to?
So, I mean, it's so up. Just you're not here. You're not here.
But them said that show your name prison break?
No.
No.
Lockdown
Bartender part 2.
Lockdown bartender part 2. So good man, I have some more hold it. So yeah, I know I need a focus man. I see that button now? See it turn green now?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's how it goes when you understand the camera. So I hit that for the behind the scenes, I make them to your talk a little bit and then we end the video. So that's all I want to go on at Jamwood City and da 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 da. My chat da 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 da. Later, subscribe, like, go over the whole of the channel, man. Subscribe, do everything to make it algorithm.
Put it on bunny down.
Say bunny down.
But bunny down.
When I say I don't like how we not do nothing, you can use the time and create something. Let's say about that.
That sound good. That sound good. I'll post this right now. Oh, BTS I record. Ready now? Ready now? So we have Richard Brown here, new actress there, Talman,
Don't start from this end like that.
Popeye,
Yeah, come from it, go with you.
Shaka Berry up there, so
Ready.
Candy over there, so Altan, Fire Racing.
Oh, yeah, we're going now. Tonight is the second night of lockdown. Last night, we said we were going to party, drink some rum and just asleep. Tonight we're going to party. You have more rum at the bar? You listen now. Look fun. Now we're yourself, you know. You see, after the lockdown done and the bar spare, we come here, man. So now we're yourself about it. But tonight, you see that we don't want to ask somebody to nobody nothing. So that's gun plan. So tonight we're going to party enjoy ourselves. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to send the sister back again down there. We'll get up some more rum. Get some more rum later. We're going to beat first. So I'm going to beat first. You see, I get in the mood now. You never like me, but remember.
No, I'm not like you.
Your man did us, so if you do yourself. Alright, listen now.
Yeah, my general.
What am I going to do?
Come on, yeah. So I say your boss, I can't be that.
No, I'm going to do it, so. So I say now, what kind of clothes the man are going? What's that?
No, get some shot, I can't. I'll get some shot on your waist and shit.
More on the shop? Answer me.
Yeah, that's like that.
Altan,
Yo,
Richard,
Let's go.
BTS.
Yo, why not me see?
Why you don't forget wine?
No, man, don't top it as a man.
No time, wait. Let's go.
Stop looking at the camera, come on.
Alright.
Look for Candy, look for your sister.
Yeah, I look for Richie. You get that trust?
You can't hold on for him, man.
No.
Ready,
Mama,
let's
she
go.
did say something.
I'll use some of
Oh, wait, did say something? Where did it say?
So what?
Well, rum or something.
Rum, must go get some rum.
Oh, you did say something. Where did it say?
We're going to send them, go send a sister down there. Where we go get? It's a rum.
Oh, second.
You say when? Rum or oh?
When? That's a when.
When rum?
So no, most of them down there. Let's go get some rum.
When? Ready?
Go party tonight.
Say rum, when, and how.
Ready.
Alright, ready. So, yeah, we're going to shop.
Yeah.
Go send a sister with some more rum again.
No, when that? When?
Tonight, the young general
Oh,
goes
no, me and him not go nowhere.
I'm not asking
You can't tell
No,
me that.
you can't tell me that me not go nowhere.
Oh, you have a student.
Yeah, the tag the sister come and shoot in front of him.
Couldn't feel for left.
Wait. Say it again for you and look around and say you're not going to.
Yeah, send her good up on the bar. Yeah.
No, I'm not going nowhere.
You
Yeah,
can't
so
say
no.
you're
Oh,
not going nowhere.
No,
Alright,
me not go. Or you can't send me go nowhere.
Yeah, figure.
Hey, watch me.
You listen now. Your brother-in-law go for a shot?
Yo. Stop the laughing.
I mean, I'm saying you're from.
I laugh too much now.
Ready? You mean so?
Let me say no. You should be coming away for a long time.
No, why we are sending from again? You did buy fan.
Done last
New
night.
rum, brother.
The police come feed,
Bring
man.
it.
Oh, police come
The
from.
boys get the rum.
Okay.
Watch
Oh, for sure.
Chunk.
I don't know right. Who's that? Ready? Give me now. Give me.
Hold on. Go on.
You sent from last night. And you give your police for the rum. But we know some see circumstances still. So we go on some more rum tonight. But no, after that, when the lockdown done, we go pay back for the room. So don't worry about local bill. Because just right now in the head, that's the one we take. You know what I mean? No yourself, man. But now we just want food. That's the second night, lockdown, you know what I mean? So we don't want it boring. Because we work too hard in the sun. We don't enjoy ourselves in the yard. So, your sister, what you say, kind of mentally, we don't really hurt her.
It's mental.
If I want to, just like I said, it's a little night. Alright, so we make your brother-in-law when we look more sensible. We don't mind shot. Give him the key, make him go down there get some rum. Yo, daddy, I give back one flask rum again and chase her. You know what I mean? And the try no stunt. Oh, but you know routine already I go on. They don't care brother and some come to make breakfast. So you don't have to tell about the sex, so I like talk too long. So you do that fast now. Anyway, you see as soon you may say now, as soon as him gonna get the rum, we go all a shower. You know what I mean? What kind of clothes the man have here? Can't fit me?
Yeah, the animal the same deal.
Can't fit the generator?
Yeah, man.
So we want 2 suits of clothes and now to wear. You know what I mean? So come with 2 suits of clothes.
Yo, my general, like how me there to me, I can get some clothes.
Yo, we don't care about no man.
You want know? You're good man. You know like say I
I
get
don't understand how you wear man clothes.
Who don't care about the killer girl I know? Some bucket of this.
Wait. Yo, come. I thought you go catch me auntie. You can get and change me. Wait. Nobody listen. You just saw it.
I will say a while ago. I will say to you a while ago.
I thought you just said something about bait. Oh, me, yeah, bait and plant.
Oh, yeah. I mean, I say, yo, black chat man, we don't care about no money, we are talking about beer. You stay the same way. You say, yo, you're lucky say you all are living to that right now. Don't say nothing more.
So, let me ask you a question. Let me look up a little bit. I say, tell the brother-in-law first.
Stay the character, you know.
Yeah, we're going to tell the brother-in-law if we think them.
No, make him roll and catch some shot and be slow there, so.
Brother.
We're going to tell the brother-in-law the thing them because we're like his sister and we got no sense. You know what I mean? We don't want to hurt her.
Nobody kill her.
So you're on the general.
Yeah,
you go down the bar. You go down the bar. You know what I mean? Go get the romance. You never have to follow him. Because he know the routine of what go on. He think no funny move. So, how kind of clothes your man have? New clothes me I talk now. We never wear it. Yeah,
Some of them wear and some don't wear.
Want 2 new suits and I have because friend man, their friend bills can.
So you general, we no can get 2 shirts, 1 shirt put on.
Yeah, what? You see, if you follow routine, maybe by tomorrow. But tonight, you go party and I set clothes have on. You hear me?
No, we have to change. Can't party and sit clothes, we have to change.
Hello,
Anything
Sicky.
in general,
We have
God.
to change.
Hello, Sicky. Don't play it.
It's alright.
Yeah, man, the boss one head in a yacht.
Right, let's go. So you must know. Let him out. 3 mama can go get
No, something else you ain't say.
Yo, say,
No, where I say
wear man clothes.
Something else you wear man clothes. Yeah, that's what I say. Something and then clothes have say, yo, we don't want to keep, please, let me just see what your sister and done.
Yeah.
Ready, sir.
I never know say you wear man clothes. I want
Yo, because
my way you doing now.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, love. What are you thinking?
Continue. Wait.
We are
Continue to say it, and then she say it and then it's real.
Yeah.
Ready.
Yeah. So, want some new clothes, you know. What you talk about? You see you? You look like mad, you know.
One to me.
You see if you never mad.
Are you mad? You look sick more than me.
Nobody do her nothing. Come tell a long time say she leave her medication when she come
No,
down.
I said.
What kind of
Everything good.
Nobody But a killer, I want to stand here.
Yeah, we know, man. No, what you said, man. Because I have family still just like him, so like that, so anytime. But I say no, differently.
Jenna,
Yo, we get there.
me make that girl there sleep on
No,
the
man.
makeup.
No, man, he good, man. She good. Yeah, come on, say. Go get the room. Get the room and forward back. Alright, good.
You didn't take one before that. Before that, you didn't take a shot when he asked Candy when Candy respond. When he asked Candy, so what size and Candy say man and him do a
What the new clothes them? Can I go new clothes them?
You never catch Candy. Ask him about the clothes, you never catch Candy.
It's good.
The man have no new clothes around there.
Yeah, you wear some of them, you may have some new one in there.
Can't fit me, I'm general.
Yeah, you see him body build, he's a 32 one in your large.
Alright, so go get some of them. But yeah, man, so now. Go get the room first.
Alright, come get
One is a man exit. When he exit, you want you the two of them.
Richard,
Yeah.
oh yeah, when you attack, like your sister,
And I got my wife film.
Let's go now.
yeah, chat to fire, yeah, robot fire. Ready? That's it.
Yo, we may say no. You man have some new clothes around there.
Yeah.
I'll go get some new clothes.
Oh, alright, start over back.
Come on, come on.
Yeah, man, you say man have new clothes around there.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll get two new clothes and be done with that vibe. Yo,
Yeah, but Jenna.
No, I tell her they say mad enough. And she say. Very well.
I just mad, man.
So what part with the you
No,
can
man.
What you want? Yo. I just mad, you know, when I shoot in the face.
No, but a killer,
I
I want
lick him
to
like
stand here.
because it's not killing me now. Because it's not killing my face.
Right now, one would have gear and make she go sleep and I wake up.
Alton, you have to do it over. Try with him just attack, man.
No, man, you good at the reaction you want.
Alright.
Why knowing? Come.
Ready now, let's go.
You know, say if I did me a play curious and role, I did that chat, but I'm figure one with the gun.
Yeah,
Key one too, man. We can't tap it.
Hold that.
Come, ready.
I can't come
Let's say
in.
you're not keeping
Hold on.
Hold
Hold on.
Oh God, we left him on the one out there all the shit.
But I know why boss can't know for us our shooting time.
You know what show?
No, you can't sing it, so baby.
Go ahead.
There's no say man can't come and baby stand the baby time and that. Flew and everything the road. That's the name of that.
Oh, it's
Yo, come on, dangerous, you know.
Yo, my girl.
Daddy, you know, this
This is
responsible.
the thing you do when you are being
Talk
told.
about clad.
You spoke when you are being spoken.
One funny bed.
No, I took
One funny bed,
I must say iron.
Yeah.
Stay funny bed, baby.
Let's go.
No.
So more send out there you go to the door, yeah?
Already, you said that man, you can't pull me.
We put it on the man. Oh. So you must have time, man. Say it.
Yeah, Jenna. Anything you say?
None more. See if I can't. Yeah, where are you drink? Tall man.
You don't know what's a rum, you know.
So you get one flask of rum. And chaser. But I go to kiss a present, man.
No, tell me I tell him my roommate.
Bad money I call roommate.
My roommate.
Bad money I call roommate.
Yeah, man. So, you want party tonight? You love party? You love it tonight.
Yeah, you must look like you want DJ. Come on, you make a DJ for
You
this,
can't
yeah?
make me teach.
Come on, pull back the chain and we can get shampoo. Yo, boy, now. You want somebody with that gunfight as if I say a chat.
Trash, you piece
People
of
are dead
yourself.
already, man. Dead already.
Even though anything serious, you know, you're a madman now.
You ready? Ready. No, pull.
Did fast, General, did fast. Not the police, not the not from police. Lock the door. Alright, you go on now.
Yes.
Yo.
Want rum?
Yeah, get some over Nabi.
What rum and one flask and what?
One flask and something.
And chaser.
Flask and chaser. Get me sitting there. You call it melon in a high cool. Melon in a high cool. Melon. Cranberry water and some cup. Ready? Let's go.
Rum and cranberry water.
Yeah, high cool. Let's go.
You shall catch me come back at our time and make me put her over there.
Yeah. Go over this one. Don't get fire first.
Come on, son.
Go over.
Try for 2 on them, like what you chat too much. You just like you chat too much. Give 2 on them and time up. You can't get no problem. Yeah man, so come from the clothes then. Come so far, General.
Oh, me tell her.
Tear up enough, because she give no problem enough.
Be quiet.
Wait, come time. Come in.
Come over this side.
Yeah, I want duct tape on mouth.
No. Entirely.
Ready?
Yes, most. I understand the temperature in here.
That's all you chat too much, you know. Turn up, you know.
China, what you do with
Make sure you're not
that?
China.
You try mine, what you do with that?
Yeah. Yesterday, I go on with a back attitude, you know. Man. Yeah. Yeah. You can't have a bad girl. One thing, when I bust up your face one time. You know what I find yesterday, I tell you, you see if you have one there, you can rub up there road, man, kicking on your body, you know. You know that.
You can't do that.
What I mean? So you want to can rug back there. I'm telling you, look like I'm a DJ, and we don't want a DJ on this thing. I mean, they're on now, girl take cut.
Come on now.
Now you see that pay attitude
Yeah, I
there.
lose. You have to tie up on time.
Alright.
I am trying to say.
Be attitude there can yesterday.
You're lucky, I'm supposed to.
You know that be a motor, but you know say come here on the DJ and I tell you, this is I want your DJ on you. You know what? And yesterday be attitude there, you know.
So I'm to want to.
What you mean, man? You just both your authority
China,
there.
what you do with that?
I want to tell you. So you know, make no move me there. That more than this.
Alright, come on, catch some right. Try my man. Come on. Come on, Tom.
You know, take back one of them.
You try mine, what you do with that? You try.
No. Time over.
Time over. Be attitude there going from yesterday. Be attitude. You know, say look like one of them DJs there.
You
and
try
this
mine,
is a
what you do
DJ
that?
for you know.
You try mine, what you do with that?
The look some man a come pan
You
up.
can't
The
do
thing, you know,
nothing.
you know that.
That's all you can do.
A man a come pan up on the thing. Yeah.
Alright.
Run and say no. If you go and watch her.
Towel or something.
Told you.
How are you na sweat? How are you, lizard?
Me?
Hmm?
Me a sweat man. You feel like me not sweat?
You know.
Oh, you're not sweat? We're visible.
You done with this?
Okay.
Yeah, them two come around.
Someone has to take a
Fire!
shot and all.
I think I feel shot to the Go ahead, that number. I think I feel
We're not have trouble, Papa.
You drink car must be.
It's so weird.
No time
Robin!
and at this morning, so probably take out the real one.
It's there upon the bed and
I'm gonna wait them people there.
That's why I took the real one.
Hold on.
Nothing.
Where want you throw up on you, Papa?
Real. No, not that one. Like, you know,
Hold on.
the real sample.
I don't
Try
know.
what you find.
You know, itself out to
When
real.
I up me doing them, I'm beside eating
Yeah, brother, I still there now, man. Man, I work with her.
alright. Gandhi, I will come out and now, you know.
People in my work. Me sweat
So,
the most, so now I'm
so
the
fire
temperature over
up,
there
so,
right
so,
now.
So, when Richie come back, fire that bathroom a bit.
Eh? Now man, fire go come out and then me I go bait and come back out. So me I watch you and
So I'm gonna see the show.
so Richie not ready for comeback?
Yeah?
On the old.
You not go up here.
Yeah?
Yeah,
So, so fire not ready for come back yet.
Me here to pull up.
My put on in clothes.
no man, yeah, you're good. Ah, yeah, the shoot fire so. The shoot fire so one straight through scene, you see me?
alright, me catch over.
One straight through
I want to make
scene.
sure I say tell. I don't want to catch Richie coming.
Shaka Bear, tell the people if you go subscribe to your
Richie not
channel.
come back in yet.
Guys, go subscribe to
The fire come out for Richie come back in.
Watch him.
Alright, so, you see now we're done with Candy a party and wine night here.
Hmm?
Candy, world of a see our wine and all.
Page, a business page, Instagram.
Come stand up, I'm not here.
No, I'm gonna need to stand on my tie up.
Yo, she full of attitude, is he?
Tell her.
So, I'll
Yeah,
try.
tell
Right,
us,
come on, we get to see
I
them
need you
fast
guys
and
to
see.
stop.
How that feel? How that feel for you?
You don't feel no way.
You love tape, don't you?
Yeah, kind of a red room.
Careful,
You know what is a red room?
Careful.
You know what is a red room?
Careful.
Yeah.
I know what it is. I'm gonna tell her, baby.
Yeah.
I don't know. Tell me.
You say never the red room before.
Papa.
Papa, you the red room.
I would the white room.
What is red room? I don't know. What
You
red?
say you know what
I
is
drew
a
up me
red
that
room.
make. I drew up me that make. Wow.
Alright.
You say you know what is a red room.
I drew up me that make. Me go Google it, man.
Ask him, you know.
I don't know. Seriously, I don't know. Me Google it now.
Anyway, I want to tell the people in
You have to tell me what red room first.
you watch 50 Shades of Grey?
I hear about him. I never get it.
50 Shades of Grey have the red room when you say you can.
Okay. I have a idea. It was alright. So, anyways, where's your page name
So,
now?
I'll time for a show to see
I want
you
you
go down
guys
here.
to follow my business page on Instagram, Chris Cosmetic JA. So I sell hair, wigs, like lace wigs.
Well, done this on the page. So.
So, let me interrupt. Yes,
She I get what?
It's alright, that's
Can if you
alright.
come back out with the clothes then.
Alright, so
Come back out that stuff.
I can't know.
No, stop. Turn off the fan.
Hey, bathroom.
We're not gonna need the fan for turn off.
What is it?
So, my friend, you don't have none of your wig them with you?
No, I don't have any with me now. Anybody want order from out in Kingston, well, we can do Knoxville.
So, like, when I go up on the internet on my phone, how I contact you?
Cosmetic JA, KRISS Cosmetic JA.
On Instagram.
Yeah.
Okay.
Come over here, come over here.
And not just only wig, I have like clothes,
Lingerie?
lingerie, body
We can go
products,
beer.
glasses,
I mean, then,
everything.
And then all the man come back with all the liquor.
So
Yeah,
you have
I have you listen, sit down now.
everything
yeah.
for
And
yourself.
can come sit down but I'm
Well, it
come over back
depends
and
on the
ready.
type of
Yeah,
box
to go beer down
and
there, we
price.
share them fasted and then
But
soon
it's
we
not
go,
everything
we go to the
posted
party.
online.
Yeah.
And party,
Sometimes
after
we get
party
them,
time now, we
Yeah.
are party and
we
we
get all of them.
and we are
So
dance
they
and
get
put
the
on
chance
the
to
stick up
post
with the gun.
everything
Yeah.
online.
Let's take up with the gun now, they lock you up.
Yeah.
Boxes start
Go on,
from
but it's done that
2,000
can code
to
tonight.
3,500
Yeah, man.
go up.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Depends on the style and we don't want to see style and come on box.
Right now, let's go.
Whenever.
Alright,
What?
so
On November.
what I go on now?
But you can still
Y'all go bring that
shop.
back.
Yeah, and the car close down, that's what I seen there.
Yeah.
Alright, show what I see now.
I like it now too. You know I'm like when I run it.
But now the box with them on the page where you have wigs and glasses. It's the lens and the Dynasty is sell by that. So now wigs from 17,500 go up to 28, 30.
The wig them are from 17,000 go up to 30.
17,500.
To 30, 17,500. So, call it about 18,000 to
28,000. It depends. It's not everything I have on it depends. Because it just started, so it's a small little business that just started out, so it's not everything I have.
So, you alone manage it?
Yeah, me alone, my page, my business.
You're gonna need one business partner.
But certainly not a man though.
Certainly not a man.
Yeah.
What make not a man?
I don't know, man love big.
Nah, man, how the lady are prejudiced, man.
Me no want no man in my business page.
You're too prejudiced, man.
Woman things.
A woman
Man
a go,
love watch woman money.
a woman a go come with the business and get one man and the two of them take it from you.
No, you have man them come in your business and come in your life to see the amount of money where you make. Hey man, what do you know?
No.
It's not real. You have untiming. This
So we do it.
How that call you now? A manizer.
What we are
Do
doing?
move, have fun, live fun,
Oh, man.
work fun.
What we are doing? What we are doing now?
Man do with the integrity,
Wait the camera
the
straight.
loyalty. Yeah, see they ain't no real. No, look at it.
No, I don't want it in the camera, no put it in
Not
there.
real.
I don't want it in there.
Yeah,
It's
so
illegal same way.
not real. So police can't come fix that.
The police will tear up some rubber together.
Alright, I'm a video now.
This
May
is
have
some
no.
rubber and tear up
Yeah,
together.
but persons don't know if it is a robber.
It is illegal,
Well,
sir.
yeah. not Hollywood.
So hold on, so if me take
If
my
you don't
hand,
have a license,
hold on.
with that
If me
one.
take my hand and tear up some rubber pan and look like a gun,
Yeah.
police can let me for that?
That don't make no sense.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Exactly my point.
but that different from that.
But you know,
Wait,
When you go on in a court, go tell judge foolishness, make you no guard
No,
jail.
me said the judge, say judge. No, me said judge.
First thing you can't talk.
Stick.
First thing you can't talk, so.
You,
In a
if
court.
you
Ah,
can
me
run and hold up nothing to do with this, but you can get arrested for it.
No, you can't get arrested for in a possession of that, just like I said.
Ballistic test can't show us that this butter shot.
No,
It don't matter.
I understand what you say, it doesn't matter. But the rule don't make no sense.
Okay.
You don't tell me so me can cut a piece of stick will look like this half of one tree. And take a piece of rubber and tie up it, a piece of stick will look like this.
Richard, do you know the amount of people who can traumatize with that piece of thing we have in hand?
Can it kill anybody?
No. But can you stick up and rob anyone with that?
Ballistic test
You can use anything, grab anybody, can use one.
And you should understand that the law is for that. The law is to stop them things.
You can't get one, throw it back and rub up it.
Alright.
Stick up somebody and rub it.
And you're not supposed to. And you're not supposed
You
to.
understand that?
Alright, my boss. It's illegal and it make perfect sense to me. If it don't make no sense to you, then my boss. Alright.
No sense.
Okay, give me that in there. Me not find out.
You tell me so we consider America as a first world country. You can go in and
ready.
buy one fake gun and go shoot movie.
Already.
And nobody not trouble you.
Ready.
You not lock your fire.
Okay.
Anybody that come ready sense.
Okay.
It drop off, tie it back. It never tie properly.
I'm going to try your good this time.
What are you doing now? What's the name, man? Make Richie come back with you, bro. He come, he go, sit down. You know what I mean? After that, now, they go come back. You understand?
You will come back.
Then something I traumatize though.
Them strands, something we are shadowed from it. You know.
I want any nigger. Never out of water.
Someone is well knocked out.
You can't even tie one rope.
You know, hang you.
It's a little boy. You have to tie it again so it can pull out.
I'll tell you.
When you got tie up your arm, you can pull out. Me I tell him to go tie your arm.
I'll tell you, I'll walk here, you know. That one.
Them big light shirts like something.
There's one for DJ and this way make a DJ upon that.
AJ, my breakfast.
I Rusty, that's a rough man. No, that's
That's why I have no woman.
how tell us I have a man?
You have no woman. Every woman you get lifted. It's too rough.
That's not what shoot you.
It's too rough. You're too big and wild and rough.
Look, come on, we keep my classroom. But I know what we're going.
I'm gonna look on the Rasta man. So.
Alright.
So tell me, let's watch our
Alright,
come in the room.
Yeah.
And then Richie come in.
Come in the room and become visit. Come here, Richie. We have beard and we come and beard and then we return to the party.
And then done.
In the party time now, that's when we go get to go to them and tell you.
And then done this up.
Yeah, like, you know, like, go to their party. Yeah, more than leave and come back. You're a party at night. Bam, you alone their party. See how look how you do. Trouble, come on, dance, but no, do that. Say, but think about the whole.
Let me not party.
Yeah, man, we're going to party. So when this man now drink and I move, so I'm going to say, more than leave. No, you not even take the gun. So when you go and find him now, by the time you come back, you sit me up. So in our room, I say no.
So when you stick it, that's it? For the scene?
No, we go transfer and tie up around the sun. And so we go breathe easy. We can't call the police in the night. I actually call the police, but no, the police not pick up because
No, down there, lock down.
the body is not.
Police call them no gas.
No, they said
Lockdown.
Lockdown.
On curfew.
We not get nobody at station.
Too much prank call on the night. When you don't prank me, you know. But in case maybe, so right, we say no, bam. So by a morning light, they will come for me.
Alright. Make it done. How easy one do. Make it done.
By tomorrow.
Then you hot the campfire. Come,
Well
on. You're not up. Come, Thomas, sit down and make you go and chat for bag of things. Come here, Trey. You alright, go and sleep?
Hey, later I know. I'm done record BTS for the day, for the night. I go rest. So yeah, shake your head for her.
I'm not ill.
You think me like you? Don't like you, no? Watch him. Yo,
Yeah, hold on.
Oh, the lock.
No, lock off the week, man. Go on.
Lock out the fan. Put off the fan.
Alright, ready?
Fan.
Ready? All you can't tell me say one man you have. You think you not get this man you born me gone for run.
Every man get born.
I'm saying, you know, I know you love it when.
Yeah, but every man get born and every woman get born. Pull the door, somebody knock the door. Pull the door now.
Man, I make you go pull it.
There's nothing wrong if I pull it. Pull the door.
Yo.
Yo, I'm come back with the room now.
Alright, my baby.
Hold on there, Richie. Hold on. Now come outside now. Now come out now. Come on.
Can't tell me say you not get a brother.
Yeah, everybody get born. Man get born, woman get born, everybody. All you a get born too, you know. You don't know say I get born.
Yo, you know, any born in
Pull the door, somebody a lock the door. Pull the door.
Come back with the room.
Man, me have to
Pull the door, you
burn
talk
one
too
after this,
much. Pull the door. Chow.
Yo, hold on now, yo.
Come on. Come on.
Yo, hold on now, yo.
No,
Cause
no,
the
no.
attitude the girl again.
Pay attention.
You know, so I feel like for all of them, I feel like say, who would I be people up my mouth?
Worry, I think we know that long time. You think me just see that?
You know, the funniest thing too, true, we are pitting like they not go think say we are see what going.
Worry, me not to watch them, you know. Cause they not set no example like how we have to take care of them.
I think a joke thing, it look like say we have to take care of them. It's true. Cause of the day, I see what man on the internet that goes so big bad order for the Prime Minister.
Now, me I show you, man, thief to one mad people, them, yeah. From me remember myself, my people, them tell me, say, man, has bring you to the world. And me as a little pitney know that, and that the big man, they don't know that. A little pitney have to go run the world, now.
And yeah, I thought that we just make a serious talk, you know? But what do you think we could have do to help make things better? What do you think we could have do to help them mad people?
Boy, I think about it rough. I think you have to go to school and learn a book now.
No, so I will go down back in the yard before me come.
Alright, then, come on.
Rory, mommy say not to left out the yard.
I'm not gonna know when my friend them go over wardrobe.
Mommy say if you not left out the yard, me say come back now.
Oh.
Where is calling?
No, the man from come win off him money, man.
What that for? Alright.
Alright, come in, man. I want to lose our fellow could change.
I might tell you lose back pay money to the attack.
Papa, you have a ball field.
So you do everything that you have already?
Yeah, man, me sweep up yard and everything already.
Make sure, you know, I like the gate when you have. But Wallace, you said no, I'm call you. I'm done with call you.
Rory! Rory! Rory!
Yo, me I go over ball girl and I come.
You know, so I can't come home, so I have to come out of the yard.
Man, you can't do that, brother. Call me, I go play some football up there, so we are going.
Well, I can't come now. I will get beaten if I come. Yo, go and left me. I go check sitting around this so I come back here.
Alright, me I got a ball ground and make sure say you come in because you tell me say you come, I go pick up on my team. So come a ball ground.
So Don man, how you alone sit down right here so I want to draft you?
Short, you know, say no me one do. And I rest one day I can go things in car and have a car with a fire. But I know say a ball in can ball over money.
So you really take away the whole of the man money?
When you all that money and can ball over it.
Noted. So come at me and play a game now?
I mean, man, anytime I ready.
I drop me, make me don't even know if to play the game, you have to go show me.
Well, that not like no problem, you know. Like you're a fast player, you know.
So I'm going differently?
No, as usual, they are going easy, you know, right? And I'm more to a new woman in my life.
You? You don't want nobody. Only thing you want to do is mess with people, girls pick me. If you get someone away from high school, come fix up the table. Come.
My baby, no baby, Oh no!
I go up on the road, they're playing figure, you know. Because mommy say no feel left yard. Come, call go on in.
No.
You know, so I feel like you want to make me win the game then. But that's true, me have to go away.
Yo, you're good, man. Next time we're here.
Alright, bless up yourself.
Alright.
Jano, not even did realize the rain fall. True, me go in there one of my long time school friend didn't make me never mash up the mission, you know. Sure.
Where's that, man? Me no business about that. A serious mission this, you know. Rasta man need for dead. Alright, let me tell you something if you don't know what I'm going. I don't know if you know the brother when named Fires. But me usually drive for him, you see me? And enough styling going. But I know say him have some whole heap of dogs. You get what I say? And that the man there one of them. Him one of the top dog them. I need that the man if it get take out of the picture first. Me tell you say if you just put hey. Ah boy, how am I gonna deal with this now? Give me a strap.
Jano, the thing did sensitive, you know, man. And that the man they know everything about me. Just make me hold on pan his strap for a little bit, man. Just make me go and hold on pan his strap. Because I couldn't deal with the mission. I have to just go and hold on. Because as me tell you, say, the man they know everything about me. Because me and him used to go to school and the man know my last name, the man even know me live. Yeah.
Alright, here I go. I make you hold on pan his strap. I need you to understand that this matter is sensitive just the same. And you could have bust out head same way, you know, bust out the two of them head same.
So you expect some supposed to bust out somebody head when me and them go to school? Jano, couldn't do it.
You know what?
Couldn't do it.
It's alright, probably me too eager. Probably me too excited with this. And then again you have a youth. Hold on. Just get the idea, you know. You know what you can do? You can kidnap a youth, you know. You can get the youth and then lure him in instead of probably buck up and see him nonsense like this again. Alright, here we go. Drive the car, ready.
Yeah, you know, so today when I forward on the block, it's a thing I come for deal with.
Say, Miss Parody.
But you save him. Yeah, so here what? Why you tell him to protect you, you see me, because I can run in that anytime.
Hold on. Tuta, come here. Jano.
But that's true because I see you. Yeah, because I didn't want this year, but you see boy fire us. Somebody set me up on a link for deal with a crime with him, you know. Yeah.
Right now, I have to make fire noise, I have to tell fire this, no joke. Isn't it? Right now, you have to protect your son, protect your son, you understand?
Yo, I can't you. Just come make fire now, what going on.
Alright.
Yo, China, Ranjay, me no business push fire there now, you know. Just forward in our yard. No, you know. Alright, my son.
Alright, man. Alright.
Alright, man. 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 Alri
Say how this serious.
Serious something this man.
Walk out of here, man.
Rory! Rory! Yo, Wagwan! Yo, Fauna! May I come? Yo, Wagwan.
Yo, me a sitting serious with you in a forward.
Me know say true me never come and buy a field, you know. But I could have come. Sister already there, mother say me for the yard.
No man, and not that. I sitting serious than that. When me there a bargain, my father call me, I would believe when tell me say.
So your father call her to you say?
Father tell me say me not to left out the yard. To avoid bargain, and me avoid bargain, he go buy one PlayStation 3 for me and one of my friend and he said, who me fi buy from? I tell him say, I want one for you.
You too lie, your father not buy no PS3.
God no, true thing. Me run from bargain and come run as I say something happen. I think tell me yesterday.
When you say I'm go get them?
No, he said if you avoid bargain for me, avoid bargain come on PS3.
Alright, remember what you say no? Remember what you say? I go go up now, no. Because mommy no like when me come out there, so no. Not even so, I go go up.
Alright, me I can go down to you now if I not lick more.
Oh, Juta, give me a look for now. Give me a look for.
So you didn't know you.
You know, say, a brown man down the road, see me and say, I want to see you from one door.
So the brown man I look for me for, brother. Brown man I look for me for. Tell me say me a person. Tell me say I see.
Come on, yo. I'm link the other day, and I said, man, I link back. How you see the nurse just lose, so?
Brother, don't lick fire upon that already. That the man the way I talk about joke thing that, brother. That the man they not just chop you. That the man they just used to dry feeking. And me, you make me I go tell her me youth say me go buy a PlayStation just to stay in her yard. Brother, that's soft man you. Soft done.
So you say, you sure say everything good? Because that the girl there, you know. You know, normal girl from high school, you know, that girl will slap out people brain right now. You understand? So you sure say everything good? Make sure, say you sure say everything good.
My youth.
You understand? Make sure.
When the girl he come there, you see her with no strap. Them not no strap.
So alright then, you have a strap now?
Me never left it yet.
Trita, I know say I have a strap but I never see it. I see him to she could have her strap, but I never see it. You get to me and say my father.
I understand what you're saying now. But we don't talk to fire, you know. About that, you know. And fire me I work with, you see me? Man said that lost my youth. So I let go that. You see me live and pray about that. And my youth, PlayStation money me I pray about right now. You see me? So you can go and stress out yourself over that. I'm good. You hear that?
That's me general. Still, fire not God, you know. You can't see everything. You understand? Right now, I couldn't talk someone loose. Now I go and really understand. So we link up.
Yeah, well, man.
They'll do some handy work. Alright, time to get myself out of this godforsaken place. Tommy. Yeah, I'm busy right now. Talk fast. Oh. Alright, give me about 3 more hours. 3 more hours and we'll be good. 3 more hours. The thing is, no, a little bit of complication, but it's fine now. I would just say the kerosene I did for the pick up and drop off. She spoiled, so anything spoiled now we have to throw it away. Yeah. Yeah, we go up on the location. It did supposed to start from then, but she come back and tell me say she's a friend from high school, so she couldn't carry it out, and she even did want to keep the strap. So it just makes you feel like everything alright. I'm gonna figure more or less that she drop some information, so I couldn't take no check. You understand? So yeah, business as usual. But give me 3 more hours, me pay for your trouble. Just stay at the wharf. You don't do the pickup, you know, because we don't want the paper trail lead back nowhere. So you get what I say? So give me 3 more hours, me pay for your trouble. Everything will alright. As I say, just run now and a little bit same thing there, so I have to clean it up and yeah. No, Tommy, you have it wrong. You have it totally wrong. I'm not interested any at all in taking over fire crime syndicate. I'm not interested in that. My plan is to take it down. I know I said precious to him and I know I said I love it. I don't want it. But anything that people love, you take it and you destroy it, then you cause them pain. So in 3 hours time, my friend, 3 hours.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Your name is Price?
Yes.
So it who you with them really out there say your grandson them though?
Yeah, man, and my grandson, what happened?
I don't know how to tell this now, you know. But you see your grandson them,
Yes.
you have to go send with them.
Send them my grandson. For what? Why me must send them when no?
One. You see Jota, the serious man, you know, you're not fine. You understand?
Yeah.
And no one go around. You understand?
You understand?
So that's why I'm not sure to see. Because send when you grandson, but no one no trouble. You understand what I'm saying?
Hello, beautiful people. Good evening. Welcome back to the channel. I hear the cricket them. Yes, I know. Lawrence cut in a movie shot. Yes, I understand. I go see a whole heap of comments. I say, Lara, we need to make it longer. Da. Yeah, I understand. But here what I need enough to do. This is what I need enough to do to help me to make like 1 hour of one to just watch. And before I go any further, this film that you just saw, there's a first part to it. If this is your first time here, there's a first part to it on the channel. So the thumb, it's called the Takedown just the same. The thumbnail is one of the characters' face, Rory. That young man where his parents don't want him come out of the yard. So you can definitely go and check out that one and da. But yeah, me need enough to like, share and subscribe guys so you can afford me the resources that I need to make full length movies. At the moment I have 0 equipment, 0. But luckily my brethren Richard Brown has the camera, so you know I can go over there, borrow him equipment and film. You get me? So yeah, but apart from that, you are going to need resources like money to pay actors, right? I'm going to need a camera because Richie can't lend me camera them all the time. He have few movies them to make as well. And then he can't big up yourself, him can't lend me equipment. Suppose me go mash you up, what am I gonna do now? And him have difficult to find camera for himself ready and then I go bad. So all I need you guys to do is like, share and subscribe so we can afford some full length movies. Now obviously these films aren't comedy. That's not my life. I'm not a funny person. Majority of my life I was in corporate, I was a part of corporate Jamaica, then law enforcement. So majority of the stories that will come from here, majority of the stories that I'll produce are things that I would have seen in the courthouse, reports that were made to me. And of course, me still have my journal them from when I was a police officer. So those are the things that I'll express in video. So definitely guys, like, share, and subscribe so I can get into some full-length movies. I enjoy doing this. For everybody who know me know say how Lawrence started out with B-roll, and credits to Peter McKinnon. Every single thing I know about filming, video, everything I learned about video, I learned it from Peter McKinnon. He has a YouTube channel on here. If you're interested in learning about filming and video and to use the editing software, how to color grade and to make regular DSLR footage look like Cinecam footage, you can definitely check Peter McKinnon. Big up to Peter McKinnon, although you may not think you might ever see one of my videos, but yeah, credits to him. He is the person that I learned video and video editing from. So yeah people, you don't want to see full-length things like these, subscribe, like, and share. Share upon your Instagram, your Facebook, all about. You understand? Because actresses, actors, them are go want money, them are go want food. People will get frustrated, and if they feel like say nothing come from that, they're not going to want to continue. Which is what happens most of the time. That's why I do short films. So if I can't finish everything right away, so like I have to go back and say, yo, we need to continue. And say, you know, I don't feel like do it today. When you pay them, there's no, me not feel like do it today. You get me? So yeah guys, like, share, subscribe, help me make full-length movies. And yeah. So little more. Big up all of the actors them, big up Richie for lending me equipment them. Big up Jutta, big up Rory, big up everybody who participated in the video. Aki and Lawrence really appreciate the help. And big up everybody who are watching now. Big up all the members. Oh, there will be a link in the description. If you're interested in being a member, you can definitely check out the description. Membership also, you can contribute a small donation monthly, so you can help me to get these resources. So yeah, until then, I hit that from me. Like, share, subscribe, click more.